Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
One of the biggest dilemmas in the history of the kitchen. If you reach for the faucet to turn it on with your dirty hand, you're going to end up with a dirty hand when you turn it off after washing. So why bother washing hands at all? Introducing Auto Water Pro, a smart, touchless device that operates the faucet hands-free. With simple swiping hand gestures, you may turn the faucet on or off and control the flow of water. Hands-free eliminates the possibility of contamination, meaning Auto Water Pro can ensure a truly healthy, germ-free hand washing experience. But that's not all. The activated carbon fiber composite filter purifies 100% of the contaminants at a molecular level, ensuring the purity and potability of every single drop of water. It offers the highest level of chlorine absorption while making zero compromise in water flow. Auto Water Pro comes in two different setups, one for the kitchen and one for the bathroom. With 6 different connectors available and a simple clicking installation, Auto Water Pro works with just about any faucet in the world. It's not just a powerful gadget that provides convenience. It represents a way of life. Simpler, safer, smarter. Auto Water Pro.
So we asked ourselves, why do we have to buy bottled water that comes from halfway around the world? Why can't there be a sustainable, easy way to make water at home? Everyone already has virtually unlimited water delivered directly to your home through your tap.
And that's why we teamed up with Lee to create the Roshan One.
It's an all-in-one smart device that filters, flavors, and carbonates your water straight from the tap, seamlessly integrating with your home, saving you time and money.
Whether you like your water fizzy, peach pear flavored, enhanced with electrolytes, or just fresh and clean, you'll be able to customize every glass to your preference.
Our patent-pending flavor pods are dishwasher safe. So no more plastic waste, just tons of convenience. Our sub-micron carbon block filter is environmentally friendly and filters out over 75 contaminants. That's 15 times more effective than those pitcher-based water filters.
The Roshan One is compatible with any cup or bottle, and it can be controlled from the device or an app, as well as through Google Home or Amazon Alexa.
Hey Google, make flavored water.
Flavored water coming right up.
And because it's smart, filters, pods, and CO2 replacement tanks can be automatically delivered to your door before you ever run out. On a good day, we want to bring you a smarter way to water. But on our most ambitious days, we want to help set something much bigger into motion. A chain reaction that starts with you. For us, for our oceans, and for our world 30 years from now.
I love having my friends over for drinks, especially my signature cocktails.
My secret to perfect taste, texture, and chill in every glass is Nugget Ice. Unlike regular ice, Nugget Ice is chewable, fast chilling, and flavor absorbing. And now I can make it at home with the Opal Nugget Ice Maker. It sits right on my counter, so now I can get that craveable taste, texture, and chill anytime. I don't have to deal with bags of ice anymore, and no more driving to get Nugget Ice.
The closest Nugget Ice is 600 miles away.
Opal is very user-friendly. The container conveniently slides out, allowing you to easily refill the water reservoir. The indicator light conveys the status of the ice maker, while the lights inside show you how much ice you have. Opal is compact, yet efficient. It makes ice much faster than your standard refrigerator. It's truly a one-of-a-kind appliance that pairs affordability with convenience. And with a stainless steel design, it looks great in my kitchen. Opal was designed by members of the First Build community. First Build is co-creating appliances one solution at a time, and they need your help to make that happen. By backing them on Indiegogo, you can be one of the first to get Opal, the world's most affordable nugget ice maker.
And this is Smarterware. A better way to keep tabs on your food, both in the fridge and on the go.
Alexa, tell Obi this is quinoa salad.
Okay, I'll remind you in 3 days.
So you can always know what's left.
Imagine a healthy, delicious gourmet dinner cooked in your own kitchen from scratch, all with just the simple tap of your finger. Some might describe it as the future, others a lifesaver. We call it sous vide, the refrigerated multi-zone kitchen robot cooker, plus smart meal kit delivery service. Life is busier than ever. Providing nutritious, fresh, flavorful meals for our families has become such a challenge. The time and energy it takes to shop, prep, cook, and clean, we just don't have it. Our fresh, chef-inspired dinners are all created with natural and raw ingredients that can be customized to your taste and delivered straight to your door in refrigerated packaging weekly. Sous vide automatically detects your food and keeps it refrigerated until its algorithms tell the appliance exactly when to start cooking, so everything is ready for you at the same time. All you have to do is load your sous vide in the morning, go about your business, and come home to enjoy a fully cooked dinner. No prep, no stress, just a perfectly prepared dinner that's ready when you are. Imagine the freedom and time you'll save.
Hi, I'm Kevin, a former Apple engineer.
And I'm Robin, founder of Reviewed.com.
2 years ago, we set out to design a revolutionary cooking appliance that was beyond anything on the market. We were tired of takeout and delivery, and we found that traditional meal kits took too long to prep and clean up. We knew there was a better way, and that's when we invented sous vide, the smart, refrigerated, multi-zone cooker that works with meals of fresh, raw, ready-to-cook ingredients.
We estimate that with sous vide, you can save an average of 6 hours per week. That's 6 hours you could be spending with your friends or family, or just being more productive and getting more things done. You can always put your own food in sous vide, but if you order sous vide meals, there's no prep required. You can pick one of our chef-designed meals that serve 2 to 4 people, or customize your own from over 10,000 combinations. Meals are made up of raw proteins, fresh vegetables, raw starches, and delicious sauces created by our gourmet chefs. To cook your fish, chicken, and meat, sous vide uses the French master chef technique of sous vide, heating them vacuum sealed in a water bath to the perfect serving temperature. Pastas and grains are boiled and steamed. Vegetables are cooked flawlessly using steam and then roasting. And sous vide even automatically drains pasta for al dente perfection. Unlike traditional sous vide systems, sous vide has a broiler that roasts your vegetables and proteins right before it's time to serve your meal. And our award-winning chefs have created sauces and garnishes to give your meals a 5-star finish.
Over the past 2 years, we've tested and iterated on dozens of prototypes. Now we're ready to bring sous vide to you, and we're looking for your support to help us revolutionize dinner together.
Let the sous vide kitchen robot give you the time and gourmet healthy meals you deserve. The future is here. Join the sous vide dinner revolution today.